In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Divi hair products, who they're good for, how they work, and how to use them. And if you're a hairstylist, you're going to want to stick around to the very end because I'm going to share how Divi can elevate your hair business. And if you're new here, my name is Marilla Manelli. I'm a hair educator who loves helping hairstylists simplify their skills and business. So let's get right into this video. But wait, something's missing. There we go. Can't forget my Divi apron. Divi is a scalp health care line that is formulated with ingredients that are clean, effective, and backed by science. Divi products improve the overall appearance of the hair while rejuvenating and exfoliating the scalp. Now, Divi was founded by Danny Austin, who suffered from hair loss and was frustrated by the ineffective solutions out there. So she decided to put matters into her own hands and create her very first product, which is the Divi Scalp Serum. This product was founded in 2021, and just a few years later, we have an entire collection of shampoos, conditioners, styling products, and vitamins. So what we got here is the Divi Scalp Serum, the Volumizing shampoo and conditioner, the original shampoo and conditioner, the Divi 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner, the Divi Dry Shampoo, and the hair vitamins. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've had my fair share of postpartum hair loss, especially with the birth of my last two daughters. It can be quite devastating to lose that amount of hair and not really know why or what you can do about it. So that really led me down the path of educating myself on scalp health, because I also realized that tons of clients were coming in really concerned about their scalp issues, whether it was dry scalp, oily scalp, product buildup, hair loss, and really knowing what the root cause and why and how I can help them behind the chair, which is what guided me down to Divi. Now, there are lots of products out there that are targeted for hair loss or other scalp issues, but really what stood out to me as far as Divi is that it has clean ingredients. Plus, the fact it was founded by a woman who also suffered hair loss really made me feel connected to the brand. So let's get right into the very first product. Now, this is Divi's award-winning scalp serum that's been clinically tested, and it goes far beyond the typical hair serums out in the market. This not only focuses on the existing hair, but also a healthy scalp environment so that you can have healthy hair in the future, because healthy scalp is going to equal healthy hair. In fact, an independent study over 12 weeks of daily use, 90% of people noticed an improvement in the look of fullness in their hair, and 87% of participants noticed an increase of how dense their hair actually looked. This is formulated with amino acids, caffeine, peptides, and rosemary oil, and this serum that's designed for thinning hair works to reduce product and oil buildup and promote a clean and healthy environment for your best hair. So here are the benefits. It's going to improve the overall appearance of thinning hair. It's going to reduce oil and product buildup, and it's going to nourish the scalp. So who should use this scalp serum? This is great for anybody who suffers from dry scalp, or maybe you're experiencing hair shedding or thinning, or maybe you're somebody who really loves using lots of product, or maybe you experience a lot of product or oil buildup. This is going to help detoxify and rejuvenate that scalp. One of the reasons why I really love this scalp serum is because it's perfect for people who wear hair extensions. Now, I specialize in hair extensions. I see all the time clients that have hair extensions. It gets really difficult to shampoo on the weft line, and this serum definitely helps with that. So this is completely extension safe. Now, the reason why this is extension safe is because this is water-based. This is not an oil. So don't mistake a serum for an oil. This is going to be completely okay for tape-in hair extensions, wefts, and a bunch of other types of hair extensions. So how do you use the Divi Scalp Serum? Now, you can apply this on wet or dry hair, morning or night. And it comes in this little box inside of a glass bottle. And what's really cool is it has a little Doppler inside. It has a little measuring tool. But before you do, you want to make sure you shake the bottle so we get all of those ingredients kind of meshing together. You'll see the little Doppler has a 1 milliliter line right inside. This is the perfect amount that you need to really focus on those problem areas, and you're just going to apply it and let it soak in. You're not going to rinse this out. Now, I personally like using this as a hairstylist behind the chair, especially for clients that have a lot of scalp issues. So after doing a freshly shampooed client, I'll just go ahead and put the scalp serum so that way they can experience the effects of the scalp serum, how it feels and how it really invigorates and rejuvenates the scalp area. But you want to make sure you apply this whether you're doing this in salon or at home before putting on any hair products. Now, if you're going to be doing this at home, like I mentioned, you can put this on freshly shampooed hair, or you can put it on second, third, or fourth day hair. So simply take out that 1 milliliter of product and then just really focus on wherever your problem areas are. So a lot of times people find like it's their temple area and you'll just immediately feel it. So just rub it in and let it soak in. And now you're fresh for the day. Now, next up is Divi's Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner, and this lightweight combo is great for anybody who has thin or fine hair looking for a boost in volume and body. Now, the shampoo is formulated with caffeine, tea tree oil, and biotin, while the conditioner is designed to hydrate, soften, and protect with ingredients like olive leaf extract and rice protein. Together, this duo promotes clean and detangled hair with added volume and bounce. Now, here are the benefits of the Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner. Overall, this product is going to add volume and bounce, cleanse the hair without stripping, nourish the scalp. The conditioner will provide lightweight hydration, protect from damage, and give touchable volume. So how do we use this? You're gonna apply a small amount of shampoo and massage it into the scalp and let the product sit on for a minute or two and then thoroughly rinse. This is gonna help remove product and oil buildup, nourish the scalp and hair, and help reduce the appearance of breakage. And if you need to do a second or even a third shampoo, just simply repeat these steps and add more lather. Next, you're going to follow up with a small amount of the volumizing conditioner, focusing on the midshaft and ends. Let the product sit on for 3 to 5 minutes. You can comb through with your fingers and rinse it well with cool water. And then simply just dry it and style as normal. Now, next is the Divi Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, this is Divi's first ever original clean and healthy shampoo and conditioner. This scalp health duo hydrates and restores the hair with peptides, amino acids, and essential oils. Now, the shampoo is going to cleanse and soothe while the conditioner will hydrate and protect, making this the perfect pairing for anybody looking for a healthy hair and scalp environment. Now, who is this good for? Now, this is the original OG shampoo and conditioner. So really, this is great for all hair types. This is great for anybody who has color or chemically treated hair who's looking to overall improve the health of their scalp and hair. This is also great for anyone who has a lot of product or oil buildup, and for those who have dull, dry, or fragile hair. Now, the way to use the shampoo and conditioner is to simply apply it to wet hair. You're going to gently massage it into the scalp, and a great tip is to emulsify it in your hands first and make sure to focus on the scalp. Remember that the shampoo is for cleansing the scalp and the conditioner is for hydrating the mids and ends. After you're all done shampooing, rinse and repeat if desired. Then you're going to follow up with the conditioner, focusing on the ends. Let the product sit on for at least 3 minutes. Kind of think of it like a little mini mask. Then rinse thoroughly and style as normal. Next up is the Divi 3-in-1 Leave-In Conditioner. This is a multitasking post-shower essential made to simplify your hair routine with 3 hair healthy benefits. Now, this product was developed by their own in-house female scientists. Like, how freaking cool is that? And this is a really lightweight detangling spray that's perfect for anyone with fine or thinning hair that gets really tangled super easily. Say hello to healthy, smooth, and stronger hair. So here are the benefits. It's going to detangle for smoother hair, provide a lightweight hydration, and protect the hair up to 450 degrees to reduce breakage. So who is this product good for? This product was specifically formulated for fine to thin hair types, but really it works great on all hair types. So if your hair is dry, brittle, gets tangled, or knotted really easily, this is the product for you. The bonus is that it not only hydrates and detangles, but it's going to protect your hair from thermal damage, making this the perfect product for those of you who hate having a gazillion products underneath your bathroom sink. So to use this product, you're gonna make sure to shake it well and then spray on towel dried hair, focusing on those mid-lates to ends, and gently comb through to evenly distribute the hair, and then just style it like normal. Next is a Divi Dry Shampoo. Now this clean breakthrough formula was designed to revive hair in between washes without leaving that heavy, icky product buildup behind. Now this product has become one of my new favorite go-to products and pairs so well with the Divi Scalp Serum. The reason why I love it so much is because it not only provides me with a ton of volume, but it literally makes me feel like my hair is freshly washed. Some key features and benefits of the Divi Dry Shampoo is that it's going to absorb oil and balance the scalp, extend time between washes, and boost volume right at the root. This is honestly great for all hair types, especially those who are experiencing oily or even dry scalp. The Divi Dry Shampoo was perfectly designed for second or even third day hair, or for those looking for a post-workout refresh. The best way to use this product is you're gonna make sure that you really shake it well, and then you're gonna hold the bottle 6 to 8 inches away from the scalp and spray onto sectioned pieces of hair, really focusing at the roots. A hot tip for a clean and traceless finish is just to let the product sit and work its magic for 1 to 2 minutes before massaging it in thoroughly with your fingers, and then style it as usual. Next up are the Divi Hair Vitamins. Now these vitamins were carefully crafted with a blend of vitamins, minerals, and Divi Roots 9 complex. Inside each capsule are clean ingredients that are packed in a slow release beadlet technology that provide optimal hair nourishment and get to the root of healthy hair from the inside out. The benefits of the Divi Hair Vitamins is that it's going to promote a healthy hair growth cycle, improve hair fullness and thickness, and support the hair from the root to the end. These are great for anyone who's experiencing hair loss or thinning, maybe some stunted hair growth, dull or fragile hair, and those looking for an inside-out approach to their hair and scalp health. Now these hair vitamins are formulated for adults, and the best way to use them is to take 4 capsules in the evening with your food. Disclaimer, make sure you keep these out of reach from children and consult your healthcare professional prior to use. Now that I've gone through this entire Divi collection, you know what it is, how to use it, and who it's good for, and you want to get started on your healthy hair and scalp journey, make sure to check out diviofficial.com or the link down below in the description. And just for a little added savings, you can use my code Morella to save 15% on your next purchase. Now, if you're a hair professional, stick around because I'm going to share 2 ways on how Divi can elevate your hair business. Now, the first way you can use Divi as a hairstylist to elevate your hair business is with the Divi Specialist program. The Divi Specialist program was specifically designed for hairstylists, and in a nutshell, it's their ambassador program that provides you with education, certification to become a Divi Specialist, and give you access to a community where you can earn rewards and get exclusive access to new product launches. Now, the cool thing about the Divi Specialist program is that they place you on their salon locator, which is perfect for clients who are searching for someone who specializes in scalp health, and this is where you come in. Now you're probably wondering, how does this make you money? When you sign up for the Divi Specialist program as a hairstylist, they provide you with a unique code that's exclusive to you. So when you are sharing that code with your clients, they save 15%, but you also earn 15%, and you don't have to carry any inventory. Overall, the Divi Specialist program is a great resource in how you can not only earn more money, but also attract new clients who are searching for somebody who specializes in scalp health. This is the best way to kind of separate yourself from the rest of the competition and really elevate your business, making you an authority in the scalp care space. The reality is lots of clients come to your salon all the time with scalp concerns, whether it's thinning, hair loss, oily scalp, dry scalp, the list goes on. And you being able to provide a solution to your clients can make a world of a difference in your business. It's an added bonus that these products are color safe and also hair extension safe. The benefit of becoming a Divi Specialist, being educated in scalp health, and having a unique discount code made just for you not only provides you with a solution to the root of their scalp concerns, but it allows your clients the flexibility to shop when they're ready. Now, there are lots of creative ways on how you can use your discount code. It doesn't have to just be in salon. You can send out email marketing, or you can even share your discount code through social media. Honestly, the possibilities are endless on how you can earn money without paying a cent on products in-house. Overall, this program sets you apart from other hair hairstylist, really leveling up your business. And all you have to do to sign up is to go grab your license and head to the Divi Specialist link down below in the description. I'll see you in there. Now, the second way that you can elevate your hair business is by becoming a Divi Pro member. Now, Divi has just launched their brand new Pro Site, making it easier than ever for hairstylists to stock up on their favorite Divi hair products. So if you're a hairstylist or salon owner who loves offering their clients the convenience of being able to take home their favorite Divi hair products same day, this Pro Site was designed just for you. Now, the perks of being a Divi Pro member is you get wholesale pricing, free shipping on orders over $250, exclusive product info, and insider intel on new products. Now, there is a minimum order of 6 SKUs to purchase, making this the perfect option to stock up those retail shelves and the perfect quantity so you'll never have to worry about running out of your favorite Divi products. To sign up to become a Divi Pro member, all you have to do is grab your license and head to the link in the description down below. Now, I hope you learned a little bit more about Divi products, how to join the specialist program, and how to explore the new Divi Pro Site. If you have any questions about Divi products, make sure you drop them down below, and be sure to share this video with a hairstylist friend that might want to add in Divi products to their product and service offerings. Now, if you like videos like these, or there's a product that you would like me to review, please let me know down below in the comments. To learn more about Divi products, make sure you head on over to diviofficial.com and check out all the pro links down below in the description. Now, I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and like always, you can head on over to morellamanelli.com, sign up for my newsletter to be the first to know about videos, new product launches, all the ways you can work with me, and so much more. And launching real soon is HairB&B University, where confidence behind the chair starts right here. To join the waitlist, head on over to hairb&buniversity.com. And like always, please like and share this video, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.